Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to install WooCommerce quickly. So you log into your dashboard and you go to plugins and click add new, and here you type in WooCommerce and you see mostly the first one with above 5 million installation. You click on install now and click on activate. Once you do that, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard, and from there you can fill in all your details and all of that. So this is how it would look like. So basically you go and fill in your addresses, and click continue. No. Right, so here you just need to choose your category. So if none of them applies to you, then you can click on other. But if you know what category you're going to be setting up your store in, so you can just click, I'm just going to choose maybe fashion and click continue. And physical products. How many products? This doesn't really matter, but you can just choose 1 to 10. No. So from here you can either change your theme from the list that they've given, or you can basically use your current theme. So I'm just going to do that, continue with my active theme. And you can have Jetpack if you wanted to, but if you don't, then you can click no thanks. Right, so once you're in your dashboard, you'll see all these new options like WooCommerce products, analytics, and so on. So you can just go to products and click on add new to start adding your products. And you can also go through the settings in WooCommerce and settings. So either you can continue adding your products in the beginning, or you can just go ahead and edit your basic store details, and then you can continue with adding products. Thank you for watching.